Hey sunflowers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Escape the Gym Obby. The gym teacher has no legs, but let's continue. So before we start this video, we're gonna I'm gonna give you some exercise by clicking the subscribe button. So yeah, and I already got here, so click that subscribe button. So yeah, let's start. I need candy. Okay, so oh my. I want to see those legs moving. Don't touch the floor or you're out. Okay, this is easy. Easy as a peasy. When I say this, I keep dying. After I say it's easy and peasy, but after I die, I keep dying, falling, whatever. Okay, let's go. Cannot touch the floor. What? Is that a okay. I died. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Get out, fly. Okay. I just touched that thing and I didn't die. Okay, I don't know what is this, but let's just jump on them. We probably have, ooh, yellow. Let's jump on them. Okay, what is this? Avoid those punching bags. Okay, avoid. Did I touch one? I don't know. Huh? Oh, I just spawned here because I touched it. Cha 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 cha. Okay, let's go. Wait, is that a giant fat guy? Fat guy. I know he's pretty fat. Oh my god. Dude, you should stop eating candies. Your teeth is yellow. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. We may have been eaten, but I want to see those jump muscles burn. What the heck? We're in a human's body, in it, yeah, and you still want to see us, move our muscle and stuff? What the heck? And ew, are these blood? Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, food. Oh. It may look delicious, and it may look not delicious. It's green. Oh, what is this dude? A monster? Oh gosh. Oh, this one is. This is one of my least favorite ones. This is not cool. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, this is creeping me. Oh, I can't believe I did it. Whenever I did that, it takes me 10 times to do that, and I finally, is this what I think this is? Oh, poop. Every obby must have a poop part. Every obby, every obby have a poop part. It's disgusting. Why does it have a poop part? There's this stuff. It's just disturbing. Very disturbing. Okay. It's just super weird and disturbing. Oh, I died. Okay. Oh my gosh. It looks like worms or like sausages. Worms or sausages. Oh, my friend Aaron4123 has joined the game. Reverse. I forgot reverse. Hey, Aaron. Just gotta say hey. Oh my god. Goosh. Why? Did I touch anything? Okay. I really want to skip stage now. Oh my gosh, I am not gonna skip stage and try my best to do this thing. I didn't even touch anything. Guys, I'll be right back when I get there. So, you're here. Sorry about that. Okay. You just pooped us out. That's amazing. That's disgusting. Okay. Let's just get out of here because we smell like poop. No excuse. Let's get swimming. Oh, that's perfect. I do not. Are we like what? Swimming? Wait, what? I need to check again because I do not see this happening. Swimming. Right? Oh yeah. I'm not very good at grammar right now. Swimming. Okay. Don't shoot and go round. I'm watching. Is literally what? Are these donuts or are these just floaties? What? Okay, it's like real, like yeah. But if this is like in real life, we would just float down. And we won't die in the water. Okay, what's this? Okay. A water slide. I like water. Oh my god. That wasn't supposed to happen, but okay. Where do I go? Oh, we go here. Oh gosh, guys, we'll be right back. So, let's just continue. Hey, we are not finished yet. Jump over those hurdles. I don't know, but okay. Let's jump. Okay, we're done. Okay, what is this? I want you to clear the long jump. If you don't, you will fail. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh! That scared me. Okay, let's go up. Go up, 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 go up. Okay. Oh my. Get in the helicopter. It's time to sky. Do gyms even have skydiving? Because I don't think so. Touch the parachute and jump. Where's the parachute? Dude, where's the parachute? There's no parachute. There's no parachute. What the heck? This is so unreal. Where is the parachute? Is it like a glitch or something like that? Oh, here. Okay. We did it! Yes, sister! Definitely gonna get yellow. Oh gosh. Woohoo! That is amazing! Oh. We're falling. Okay. Relax, speed. Oh gosh, okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, post notification down below and comment down below what's your favorite hobby. I guess I don't know what to say for the comment down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and like. And yeah, bye guys!